Here we'll write a program to accept numbers to store in set and remove all even numbers from the set. So first in comment line we'll write, first we'll accept total numbers to store in set. So n equal to int, input, enter total number to accept. Since we are going to store these numbers in set, first we'll define empty set. So set1 equal to set. And we'll use for loop to accept the number. So for I in range 0 to n. Here we'll accept the number from the user to store in set. So num equal to int, input, enter number, and we'll store this num to set. So set1 dot add num. Then outside the for loop we'll print original set as set1. Then we'll print set after removing even numbers. Here we'll read the set function. Here we'll read the set. So for val in set1. Here we are going to remove the even numbers from the set. So if we give here directly set1, it will generate an error. So we'll use here set, that is remaining value of the set1 we are going to convert to set again. And here we will check if val mod 2 equal to 0. We will remove this element from the set. For this we will give set1 dot discard val, and outside the for loop we will print set1. And we execute. I will give total number to accept as 5. I will give the numbers. It will print original set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set after removing even number as 1, 3, 5. That is 2 and 4 are removed from the set since they are even numbers. So for this, first we have accepted the total number to store in the set. Then we have declared empty set and we have accepted the number using range function. And then we'll check each value from the set, and if it is even, we will discard that value from the set.